I don't want my dash camera to record while I'm at work or while I'm parked in my garage at home.
Starting parking recording.
This is getting irritating. It's wasting my car battery. Until today, we now have a solution. Dash cameras record while parked. Now, most dash cameras require a parking mode cable, a hardwire cable, or an OBD2 cable adapter in order to enable that feature. Most times you're going to need professional installation. But what about times where I don't want the parking mode feature to work? Well, most times in the past, you could actually go and just turn the switch on and off, or you could push and hold the power button. That way, you're not wasting any battery. Well, what if I told you there's now a feature, a geofencing feature, where you can set up certain areas and the dash camera will now shut off while parked? Now, let's say you work in a secure lot. You're not really worried about your dash camera recording while you're there. You can set up a geofence so it actually shuts off while you're parked in the parking lot. Or maybe you actually, when you park it in your garage overnight, you really don't need it recording whatever dust is going on in your garage. So you can actually set it up to turn it off. Well, we're going to go over these features that are available on Vueroid and Viofo dash cameras that you can now set up and turn off when you don't need it critically. Current models from Viofo that are supported are the A329T, A329S, the original A329, A229 Pro, and the A229 Plus. The models supported for Vueroid are the S1 4K, D21 4K, and the D20 Q2. Well, let's walk you through step by step on how this new feature works from these dash cameras. So the first step is to make sure that you have a GPS lock. So looking at the Vueroid in the top left corner, you need to make sure there isn't a red line going through the pin. On the actual Viofo, we need to make sure that the GPS light is solid blue and not blinking on and off. There are two ways that you can set the geofencing. One, through the smartphone app, and two, through the screen where you can actually go and manually select it. So we're going to go through the smartphone app, scroll down to parking recording. Keep in mind, we are using the new version of the smartphone app for Viofo. And you can see there's 3 zone options. I already have zone 1 set with the GPS location. And you can select 0 meters, 15, 30, 50, or 100 meter radius, depending on your parking environment. And you can update the geofencing as well. And it's very simply the oval with the little green line. You can slide it back and forth to turn it on or off if you don't want to use it at all. And you can also have zone 2 for like work, zone 3 for somewhere else. You have many different options depending on your lifestyle. There are 2 ways to also do the Vueroid S1 4K. So we're going to start by actually hooking directly up to the Vueroid Hub app. And once we're connected, we're going to go into the More and then go into Settings. We're going to scroll down until we get Auto Rec Zone. So once we get down to there, the Auto Rec Zone, that's where we can actually select and set our geofencing zones. So we go in, and as you can see, I've already set up zone 1 and I've selected 50 meters. So you have the option of 30, 50, or 100 meters, and you can easily select it on or off. Zone 2 and zone 3 are just below there. You literally just zero in and register to find where you are located. Just make sure you have GPS on your dash cam for it to work. So we set up geofencing on both dash cameras. Let's go for a drive to the end of my street and see if parking recording works, because I'll be outside of my 50-meter radius.
Starting parking recording.
Okay, you can see clear as day, the parking recording did turn on. And now we're going to drive right back to my house again. And when I park, you're going to hear the dash cameras just shut off and not go into parking recording. And that's how geofencing works on the Viofo and Vueroid dash cameras. Thank you for watching our video. If you are looking to support us at all, we are Safe Drive Solutions. We offer professional dash camera installation in Greater Vancouver or Greater Toronto, Canada. We also ship dash cameras all across Canada. Check us out, safedrivesolutions.com. Have a safe drive.